Well, hello guys. Sorry it's taken so long to get a video up. Yeah. Got my crazy hair. Yep, I'm out of work right now for a couple of weeks. Hopefully I don't get laid off. That's what I'm really worried about. But we'll go from there. I've been kind of chilling and doing things. I've been filming videos, trying to get stuff together. So I have a little catalog of stuff because, it takes me some time, and once I get back to work, hopefully, I'll have more stuff, to put up for you guys. Just as a preview, I'm working on a review on the Comma 2 AI system that you can hook up to your car to add level 2 driving capabilities. Basically, the car will steer for you, and it's very interesting. I'm working on that one. That's going to take a little bit more time, but I am working on that one for you guys and how it works with the Honda Insight. I got some maintenance videos that I did for the Honda. I actually did I did something very scary. Being a Jewish fellow, we're not so good with tools. I actually used some tools and I got some stuff done, including some very simple stuff. And also including a revisiting of the horn, which stopped working, and I had to fix it. And I'll show you exactly why it stopped working and how to make sure it doesn't happen to you. See, I can't even point to you. Stuff like that. And then, of course, I got something with the Ford Fusion, an issue I had with the seat, and had to take it in for tire rotations and other stuff like that. And you can hear me bitch and moan because I haven't been getting any sleep. So basically been a pain in the butt. And you can see I'm even taking care of my hair. I did a lot of work today on the car, so really haven't a lot of time, including cleaning it up. It's needed a good cleaning. I haven't done the floors yet. That's going to take me a while. Now, because of our Wu-Tang illness that's going on out there, a lot of us are stuck in our houses. And one thing I have wanted to do, and I don't want anyone thinking I'm changing this channel or anything like that. This is just something, and I'm not good at this. I wanted to suggest a couple of movies I've seen because I have nobody else to talk to about these. And I really want you guys to comment and let me know, hey, what the hell is this crap you're showing us? Or shut up. We want to hear about insights, or bite me. I like my Ford. I don't care. But if you can comment, I wanted to tell you about a couple of movies. I'm not going to get real long on it, so make it quick. And of course, I put a timestamp at the beginning, so everyone knows to skip it if they don't want to. But please don't. I have nobody to talk to about these, so let me do it. The first one, and I guess I'll put a picture of it up here, is a movie I bumped into on Amazon Prime, and the movie is called Triangle. And I have to say, it has some incredible. It starts with an incredible piece of music at the very beginning that really touched me. And it really hit me emotionally in my heart. It seemed to be about such the futility of what you're seeing going on, and the sadness behind what's going on. It's the futility that's incredible on this movie, and it really got me going, and I've watched it several times, and I really love this movie. And I'll be very interested to see what any of you guys say. For all you hot ladies out there, all one of you or two of you that actually watch this station, Liam Hemsworth is into him, so if you are a heterosexual or a bisexual, and you happen to like pretty good looking men, and I have to say he's pretty good looking. I certainly wish I looked like him. Give this movie a shot. It's actually really good. Give it a shot. Only 3 movies, so I won't waste your time too much. The second movie I want, Triangle is available on Tubi, Pluto, Amazon Prime, and Crackle. I stay away from Crackle, too many damn commercials, but by all means, give it a shot. Let me know what you guys think. I figure a lot of you guys are locked down, right? Second movie you can only find on Amazon Prime. It's called 41. 41, I'm going to make it very simple and very quick to let you know what 41 is all about. Basically, this is its synopsis. A young man discovers a hole in the floor of a local motel that leads to yesterday. Looks like a relatively low-budget film, but very well filmed. Great story idea, and it really works very well. A little bit of a heart tug, a tearjerker. Well, it doesn't make you cry, but it tugs your heart. Excellent movie, surprising. I really like it. I like the time travel kind of stuff. It's fun. The third movie, and this one's more of a joke, and only certain people here are really going to get it. And I don't even know if any of you are this, and it's going to be mostly for us older folk and so forth. It's a movie from 1972. It's called Vampire Circus. Yeah, I know, it's pathetic, but still. Vampire Circus. I fell in love with this movie a long time ago. It's a Hammer horror film. If you like the old style vampires, and I believe it's British made, it's a lot of fun to watch. And the reason why I remember it so much is because I had a crush on the vampire girl. My father used to make fun of me all the time. Oh, your vampire girl is coming on. You guys tell me. It's the one that's the acrobat, and she is gorgeous, and I still love her, and I know she doesn't want me, but that's that. Okay, Vampire Circus is available on Prime, Tubi, and the Roku channel. So if you have a Roku and you look on the Roku channel is pretty cool. There's a lot of good stuff there. All right, skip that. On to the inside stuff. This is today's video. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you don't hate all this stupid movie crap. I just wanted to talk about some of these things. Please, please, comment, even if it's to tell me I'm stupid. It's better than nothing. Take care, guys. Enjoy the video. Good afternoon, guys. Today we're under the 2019 Honda Insight hood, and today we're going to be changing out the engine air filter, which apparently, and this is coming from a person who knows nothing, is probably right under here. Basically, it looks like it's going to be very easy. It looks like it has simple clips and so forth. I got myself an air filter from Amazon, Premium Guard. It's a cheap filter. I think it costs like $7 or so forth. For all those asking, are all filters the same? They are definitely not all the same. Now, yes, it says premium, but there are premium filters, and there are also washable high ability filters. Of course, I don't know the words because I'm a fucking moron as usual, and I can't bring out the words. Those filters can run all the way up to about $50, $55. Those filters, basically, you never have to change. You basically take them out, clean them, oil them, and then put them back in. Now, do they make a difference? Yes, they do, actually. From what I've seen from videos that have gone over this stuff before, they do actually make a difference. People who have done tests on this have actually found that the performance filters can give you up to, say, 1 to 3% more overall horsepower, and 0 to 60 times at about 1 to 3% faster. I don't know if this is really something I wanted to get into. That's why I just went for a standard air filter. So, considering all the salt we have out here, I mean, it's going to really up to you. If you want to pay $50 and you want to get the spray or whatever to oil it and clean it once every like 20,000 or so odd miles, then by all means do it. You'll get a little bit more pep out of the car, more than likely. But 3%, I just don't want to deal with it. I'm just going to change out with a regular filter. Let me see. Let's check and see where Ruby is at mileage. As you can see right now, Ruby is at about 18,515 miles. 20,000 miles. I mean, close to 20,000 miles. I think it's a good time to change the air filter. There are specific times to change your air filter. I will put those up, but mostly it really has to do with just how dusty the area is. With us, we deal with a lot of salt being here in the Rust Belt. And you know what? Considering how cheap the air filters are, we're going to go ahead and open up and see just how dirty it is, and we'll go from there. Okay, we're back at the air box. It looks like it all has simple clips here that you pop off with your fingers. Now, if I can do it, being a diabetic, anybody can do it. There's one over here and one over here. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips that pop right off. The question is can I do this one-handed, or am I going to have to basically just lift it up like this? Let's go into wide mode. I'll give you a better view. Pick it up like this and kind of move the thing out of the way. Looks like the filter's not all that dirty anyway. Pull it right out. Look at it. She looks pretty clean. Not too nasty. Ooh, look at that. Look at the underside. Nasty as heck on the bottom. So it's probably a good idea to change the filter at this point. We're going to take a quick look in here. It's not too dirty in there. Normally, you know, if you find leaves or stuff, happily there's no animals in there. You would basically, what you would do is you would vacuum it out. But it looks pretty simple. So we're going to pause it for a second and we're going to get the filter. Okay, we're back with the new filter. Just a little bit cleaner than the old filter. So I guess it's about time. That's the top side. This is the top side. That's the bottom side. It's very simple which direction it goes. Now, the bottom side will have like little pieces of plastic sticking up. That's how you know which one's the bottom. And it goes in this direction. Okay, guys. Do you see what I just did here? I made it quite clear which side was the top side and which side was the bottom side. For all of you wondering why I'm so upset and angry all the time, it's because of crap like this that happens to me. My brain is just totally gone to hell. You would think watching this stuff that I'm a massive pothead, but nope, just 30 years of antidepressant drugs that I took a long time ago, well, not a long time, for a while ago, took away my memory and my common sense, and causes this kind of aphasic, ridiculous stuff. So now you get to watch me, like a frickin' moron, sit there and try to stuff this frickin' filter in the wrong way. Happily, it doesn't hurt anything. But just for all you guys wondering why I'm such a pissy person, this is why. I'm not stupid. I'm just a doofus. So how hard is this? Well, let's do it. Hang on. We'll lift this up like this. With one hand, it's not so easy. I do apologize. I'm going to lift up, just stick it under there, and here's where it gets a lot of fun. There's my hands under there. So, you know what? Hang on tight. Okay, I got my phone kind of stuck here. We're going to pull this up so you can see. Basically, goes right in there. Well, it should go right in there. Just lay it right inside there. Fit real nice. And did I put it backwards? Yes, I put it backwards. Yes, see, I put it upside down. See, how difficult can it be? For a doofus like me, apparently, it's much too difficult to do. Basically, pop it in just like that. Put the top back on. I don't know how this is filming. Flip the clips up. Clips up. Clips up. This is a bunch of clips here. Basically, they lift up a little and pop up. Except this one, which is being a pain in the ass. Pop that up like that, and pop that up like that. And my God, dudes, that's all there really is to it. It's really very simple. Quite frankly, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Let me pull the phone out of here. Oh, I got to really be perfectly honest, guys. Don't pay anybody to do this for you. Do yourself a favor. If you're a young lady who doesn't like get their hands dirty, you can get yourself some gloves. A lot of latex gloves out there. I probably should have worn some myself, but I wanted to be able to run my camera a little better. It's a simple procedure. These filters don't cost much. Look at it, it was clean on top, but it was really dirty on the bottom. So it was pretty much time to change it, and that's all there is to changing your air filter. Do not pay anyone to do this for you. Anybody can do this. I'm a doofus. I can't feel anything with my fingers. I was able to do it. This is a do-it-yourself project. That's it for today. Take care, guys, and be safe. Verdier out.